Happy Tuesday. Welcome to another cargo trailer camper conversion update. This is a very unique item that will be in my toy hauler, and that is a custom poker table. Pretty simple, 3/4 inch plywood cut in this shape, another 3/4 inch piece of plywood cut in this shape, foam put over them, glued and sprayed. Many videos online about how to do this. The one detail that I built this one, kind of got trashed. I had to move it around a lot during the build, and so I started thinking, okay, I need to redo it, but what can I do to spice it up a little bit? Is I decided to have a custom print done of what I would consider my toy hauler's logo. Found this online. They printed it up for me. Now I got to take apart the first table that I built and get the foam and the glue and the padding and the mat off and glue this one on. And, glue some new vinyl and affix it together. And this is going to sit on the removable table in the center. Another thing that I did for this particular table is I bought a case. I bought a zipper case that will protect this, because obviously I learned from the first one, these things are delicate and they get trashed real easy. They got to be real clean, free of dust. But this is what I hope to get accomplished this evening, is to pull the felt and the vinyl off of that and re-felt with my custom logo and re-vinyl and get her all put together. So wish me luck. While I'm inside building the poker table, this gray oil-based paint is drying out here. I also got a chance to put a little urethane on the plywood edge there to protect it. So while those two things are drying, another little detail that I've been working on the last couple days is the walnut bed frame. Well, it's actually walnut and pine. These sideboards are walnut. All this is all pine. The frame, walnut on the other side. This will be the toe side. This will be the head side. Down here I will build a chest, because a queen size bed only comes to about here. So I've got 12 inches or so of headboard space. So I'm going to build a custom chest with some charging ports and night lights and some other doodads, place to put your phone, place to put your keys, any other things that you might want close at hand in the middle of the night. But we're getting really close here. We've got, bed frame going up. We got tailgate painting and sealing. And inside the garage, we got the custom poker table being built. Tonight is the night. It's a weeknight, and I don't know what got into me, but I decided I was going to put some effort towards this, so wish me luck. So everything's a mess. It's 10:30 at night, but I at least got the new felt and the new pleather, I guess you could call it. Maybe you call it vinyl on the Texas Hold'em table. So I'm gonna start cleaning up. I didn't get a lot done, but I got a little done. Every little bit helps.